Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 16 on property, plant and equipment. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A link to book an online meeting slot for one-on-one consultation on Ind AS is given in the description box. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed in its accounting policy that it eliminates property, plant and equipment on disposal or when retired from active use. This issue was discussed earlier. However, we think it is worth discussing again. Repetition is the mother of learning and consistency is the mother of expertise. Therefore, to become an expert, repeat the same thing on consistent basis. This problem is widespread. Even large listed companies disclose this. This is similar to large listed companies disclosing that revenue is measured at fair value and NFRA issued a circular educating them that such a policy is not proper. Whether NAFRA took any action on such large listed companies for erroneous reporting and misleading others is another issue which we can discuss later. Ind AS 16 contains a reference to retirement of an item of property, plant and equipment in 3 paragraphs. Para 55 of Ind AS 16 states that depreciation does not cease when the asset is retired from active use. Para 66 of Ind AS 16 states that derecognition of items of property, plant and equipment retired or disposed of is determined in accordance with this standard. Para 79 of Ind AS 16 encourages an entity to disclose the carrying amount of property, plant and equipment retired from active use. Para 67 of Ind AS 16 states that the carrying amount of an item of property, plant and equipment shall be derecognized either on disposal or when no future economic benefits are expected from its use or disposal. Thus, items of property, plant and equipment retired from active use are not derecognized or eliminated. The company has derecognized on retirement of asset. Thus, the company has not recognized depreciation on assets retired from active use as required by para 55 of Ind AS 16 and has recognized loss on retirement of asset which impacts statement of profit and loss. As the profit numbers are carried in statement of changes in equity and statement of cash flows, both these statements are also impacted. Due to incorrect elimination or derecognition, the carrying amount of property, plant and equipment reported in balance sheet is also incorrect and thus balance sheet has also been impacted due to this incorrect accounting policy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A link to book an online meeting slot for one-on-one consultation on Ind AS is given in the description box. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.